So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cancel automatic recurring investments in your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once you're into the Wealthsimple app, make sure to go into your FHSA or your first home savings account. So for me right now, it actually is the account that I'm in. Now, if you have some automatic recurring investments set up, that makes this a lot easier. So for me right here, I actually have two recurring investments. I have Fortis and I have VFE, which is just an S&P 500 index fund. But if you wanted to cancel these for whatever reason, it's pretty straightforward. What I want you to do is simply just press on the stocks or the ETFs that you have the recurring investments on. So I'll just go ahead and press on Fortis. And if you press on it right here, it says recurring investment, $1 next order date, daily frequency, all this kind of stuff. Just go to the bottom. You can either press on pause if you just want to pause it and have it resume at a later date, or what you can do is just go to the bottom, press on cancel recurring investment, and it'll cancel the entire thing, which makes you have to set up a new one in the future if you want to continue this recurring investment. But that's a pretty straightforward tutorial on how you guys can cancel automatic recurring investments in your FHSA or your first home savings account here in Canada using Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps, and thanks again for watching.